Good morning, my name is Prakash Kumar Singh and I am here to teach you to the topic which is the Northern Mountains. In the Northern Mountain, the prevalent feature is the Himalayan range in India. And you should know that the average length of these mountain ranges is 2400 kilometer and the average width is around 450 kilometers. You should also know that in these ranges the Mount Everest also is included, and by Mount Everest I mean the highest mountainous peak in the world. The average height of the Mount Everest ranges is 8848 meter. It means 8 kilometer 484 meter. So by saying this, I means if you reach to the top of this mountain range, the Mount Everest, you will be at the highest position, highest mountainous peak in the world, and it lies somewhat here in Nepal. We in India also have mountainous ranges which are located in the state and union territory. The state which was earlier Jammu Kashmir, now it's union territory of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, where you will find the Kanchenjunga. We have also a strategic position in our map, that is the Siachen glaciers. And in Siachen glaciers, you will see a severe cold and a drastically adverse climatic condition. You will see the temperature ranges there are very cold, and they are the point which is statistically very important to India, as it is close to our neighbors, Pakistan, Afghanistan and China. So that very important point is also coming under the northern mountains. The second thing I would like to introduce you is that we have three categories of mountain ranges. The three categories are the Himadri, Himachal and the Shivalik. The three categories are the Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. So I would like to present you all with the very first topic, which is the Himadri. The Himadri are the highest mountain ranges in this whole spectrum, in this whole length. And the average height of Himadri ranges, the Himadri groups of mountain is 6000 meter. 6000 meter is the average height. And the Mount Everest, Malakku, Annapurna ranges are included in this area. And the second one is the Himachal. The average height here in Himachal is 3700 to 4500. That means 3 kilometer and 700 meters to 4 kilometer and 500 meters. And the third range which is included in this solution is of the Shivaliks. The average height is quite low in this segment. The height is 1250 meter. That means 1250 meter, 1 kilometer and 250 meter. The famous peaks or the famous hill station in the Himachal areas or the lesser Himalayas are Manali, Nainital, Darjeeling and Gangtok. The 3 points which I have said, the Nainital, the Darjeeling and the other points are included in the segment which we have earlier discussed is the Himachal. And the Purvanchal, Garo Khasi, Janikia and Patkal Dum, Naga and Mizo and Lucia hills are included in the third segment, which is the Shivalik range. So these are the three spectrum which we are these categories, these types which are there in the northern Himalayas as we have discussed. There is peculiar features too that are included in the Himalayan ranges. The peculiar feature is that in these type of area, in these type of mountainous ranges, you will find the average temperature to be lower than in the Indian subcontinent. The average temperature will be lesser at the great height as like in Mount Everest or Kanchenjunga. The availability of oxygen that we breathe in or breathe out is quite low, because as we move upward in the mountainous region, we have lesser oxygen available. So if a person reaches to the Mount Everest, he or she will require oxygen cylinder with him or her. It is because due to the less availability of oxygen. And the second feature is that in these type of ranges too, there are different types of flora and fauna. By flora we means the vegetation, and by fauna we means the wildlife that are available in that area. So as we have discussed, this is one of the physical division of India, that is the northern mountain, and there are three types in it. The first type is the Himadri or the greater Himalayas. The second type is the Himachal or the lesser Himalayas, and the third type is the Shivalik or the outer Himalayas. I would like to conclude my words with the line that the Himalayas are like the guiding forces which are present in the northern portion of India. Thank you. Have a nice day.